Hello friends, today we discuss how to solve this question. This is the very important question and cover many concepts. So without wasting time, start the video. Before solving this question, we cover basic concepts which are useful to solve this question. Basically, this question is combination of the basic three types of the concept. First is the parallel line, second is the triangle, fourth is the quadrilateral. Now discuss one by one concept. After that, we solve this question. The first concept is the parallel lines. So draw here parallel lines. Parallel lines are those lines which not meet at any point when increase both sides. That means here is the parallel lines, and if we increase these two lines, that means here increase, also increase, but not meets at any point are called parallel lines. These lines we if denoted by L and M. And if a third line, that means this line cross this, then there are many angle formed and many basic property comes find out. But we know this angle is equal to this angle. This property we use here. That means here L and M are the parallel lines, and this line cross these two parallel lines. According to this figure, this angle is equal to this angle. That means 130 degree. Now we discuss third property, that means second property of the triangle. Here you see this is the big triangle according to, and this is a right angle triangle. And if any right angle triangle, that means this type of the triangle, then this angle always equal to 90 degree. According to this angle equal to 90 degree. Now we discuss third property of this concept, that means quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a figure which have four sides. That means this types of the any figure. Then here is a basic property, that's this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle equal to the 360 degree. That means all internal angle of the quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. So now we discuss here some basic property. Now also fourth type of the property, that if two lines cross each other, then these angle equal to this. So according to this property, this angle equal to this angle, that means 130 degree this angle. Now according to this concept, all these fourth angle equal to 360 degree. According to, so we assume that this is the y angle. So 90 degree plus 50 degree plus 130 degree plus y equal to 360 degree. Now these angle 2 comes this side and subtract 360 degree. Now this process come do with. After that we see now y equal to 360 minus 90 degree minus 50 degree minus 130 degree. Now solve this question. First we add up all this part. We take a comma, that means common, 90 plus 50 plus 30 degree. Add up all the angles, so we get 90 plus 50 equal to 130. That means here 130. So 90 plus 50 is equal to 140, and 130 is equal to 270 degree. Now to subtract this, that means we can here subtract to 190. That means 90 degree angle comes. So this is the angle which comes 90 degree. Now this is the 90 degree angle. So here write this is the 90 degree angle. According to our fifth type of the concept, that's if a line and the second line, then this angle equal to 180 degree. So y plus x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 degree minus y. That means here y is equal to 90 degree. 180 degree minus, here we put 90 degree. So we come 90 subtract 180 degree. So we find out final result 90 degree is equal to x. This is the very simple question and can be solved very simple method.